Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Let's start our today's topic. It's review 2 and a question number 5. In this question, we learned all the results and the rules which we learned in the previous videos. And the question number 5 is find the value of following. Its G part is minus 4 square divided by minus 8 add into 3 multiply by negative 2 and its cube. First of all, we will solve the squares and the cube of the integers. As we learned, the square of every number is positive, and a 4 square is a 16 and a negative 4 square is again positive 16. Division sign as it is and a minus 8 write as it is, plus 3 multiplied with a negative 2 cube. As we learned, the cube is a product of a number by its square. So it means 2 cube, I can write its product of a number by its square. So minus 2 will as it is, 2 square is a positive 4, and when multiply them again we get a minus 8. So minus 2 cube is a negative 8. Here we can conclude the result. Cube of the negative integer in our result also gives the negative integer, or the cube of the positive integer will give the result positive integers. Let's proceed. 16 is divided by minus 8. So we will apply here rule of division. As division of the two different value sign is a negative, 8 2s are 16, so write here a minus 2. Plus sign as it is. Apply here rule of product. As the product of two different sign is a negative, so it's a minus 24. Again apply a rule. Here is a positive sign. When the positive multiplies with a negative, it gives a negative and it's a minus 24. Now minus 2 and minus 24 both are having a same signs. The values of same sign should be added, so add them. It gives a minus 26. And in answer, sign of bigger value we will placed, and the 24 is a bigger and it contains a minus sign, so place here a negative sign in answer. Let's proceed toward the next question. Take another part of this question. It's a 4 multiply 3 square divided by minus 6 minus into minus 1 cube multiply with minus 3 and its square. Students, write all the integers and its symbols carefully. Apply again, solve square and a cube of the integers. As square of every number is positive integer, so 3 square is 9. Division sign as it is and a minus 6 as it is, minus into cube of a negative integer is a negative. So cube of the minus 1 is again minus 1. Multiply square of the every number is a positive. So square of a negative 3 is a positive 9. Here is the multiplication sign between these two integers and the division sign. So we can take a reciprocal and change into a multiplication sign. It will give minus 1 by 6. And 9 multiply with a negative 1, it gives again negative 9. Or you can say that the product of the two different sign is a negative. Now there is a multiplication between 4, 9 and 1 by 6. So you can cancel the terms with a 3. 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. And 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Remaining integers are positive 2 multiply with 3 and multiply with negative 1. Here is a negative sign. When negative multiply with a negative sign, it gives a positive 9 and multiplies them. 3 to the 6 is a positive integer. When the 6 multiply with a negative integer, it gives a minus 6 plus 9. As 6 is a negative, 9 is a positive integer, so we will subtract them. So subtracted, it gives a 3, and sign of greater value will be solved right in the answer. And 9 is a greater number, it have a positive sign, so write here positive 3. Let's proceed toward the next question. It's I part. It's very important and easy part. Just write it carefully. It's a minus 2 multiplies with the minus 2 cube, multiplies with the minus 2 and again multiply with the 3. Add addition sign. Minus 2 multiply with the 3, the positive integer, and again multiply with the minus 1 square. In this question, just here is a positive sign, so that's why I am highlighting the sign with another marker color. Solve the cube and the square of the values. Minus 2 as it is, cube of the negative integer is a negative, so here write a minus 8, multiplies, you can multiply 3 with the negative 2, it will give the negative 6, as the product of two different signs is negative, so write here a negative 6, plus sign as it is, minus 2 multiplies 3 with minus 1 square, the square of every number is the positive integer, so write here a positive 1. Then as the 2 is a negative integer, 8 is a negative integer, so product of two same sign is a positive, it gives a positive 16, and minus 6 write as it is, plus 1 is a positive integer, 3 ones are 3, so 3 when multiplies with the negative integer minus 2, it gives a minus 6. Next, 16 is a positive integer, 6 is a negative integer. So product of two different sign is a negative, and 16, 6 is a 96. And here is a positive sign before a bracket. When the positive signs multiply with the negative sign, it gives a negative sign answer. 96 and a 6 having the same sign, so we will add them. It will give 102, and sign of bigger value will place in answer. 96 is a bigger number, so it contains a negative sign, so negative sign will place in answer. Let's proceed toward the last part. It's a J part. 5 minus into 12 multiplies with the negative 5 its square and contain in the bracket minus 7 bracket close divided by 3 and a curly bracket close. Write the question again carefully. Firstly, solve the inner bracket terms according to BODMAS rule, and the remaining will write as it is. Square of every integer is a positive, so square of negative 5 is a positive 25, and minus 7 will write as it is, and the remaining will also write as it is. So bracket terms contain a positive integer and negative integer. When we solve the positive or the negative integer, we will subtract them, and it gives a 18. It's a positive 18 because 25 contain the positive sign and it's a bigger number, and mine divided by 3 as it is. Now we will change the division sign or take a reciprocal of 13, or you can directly divide 18 with the 13. So divide them. 6 3s are 18, so right here are 6 only. Next is multiplication sign between 12 and 6, so multiply them. 12 6 are 72, so right here are 72, and 5 is a positive integer, 72 is a negative integer. We will subtract them. 72 minus 5 is a positive integer, so subtract them. So take a borrow and subtract as a previously method as we solved. It's a 67 and 72 is a bigger number. It's contain negative sign, so we will place here a negative sign answer. I hope students you well understand this question, and the remaining questions we'll discuss in the online session. Till then, Allah Hafiz.